A very good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have learned all the properties of rational numbers based on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I have given you in homework 2 questions also to solve. Right? Now, today we will be moving ahead with our topic of rational numbers where I am going to deal with the further questions, okay, which are given you. For this, you can open your book and take the aid so that you can see the questions. Anything? Before, yes, any queries from your side? Yes, any queries from your side? Okay. Before starting, please open your books so that you can go through the questions also which we are discussing. Okay? So let's start.
Okay, ma'am.
You can see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rational numbers, chapter 1. And what we are doing? See, let's see this. We have to verify this property. A into B multiplied by C is equals to A multiplied by B and C. That is question number 3. Observe question number 3. Yes or no? And they have given us some values. See, A equals to minus 7 by 3, B equals to 5 by minus 4 and C is equals to 9 by 8. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now what we have to do? We have to take the LHS side first. So on LHS what we are having? A into B into A multiplied by B into C. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now what we will be doing? We will be substituting these values. So on substitution what I got? Minus 7 by 3 multiplied by B was 5 by minus 4 and C was 9 by 8. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Since we can see there is no cancellation possible. Any cancellation is possible here.
No, ma'am.
So we will simply multiply and on multiplication what I got? Minus 7 by 3 is equals to 45 by minus 32. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
you are having a rough register to so that you can calculate with along with me. You are having a rough register with you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Still any further cancellation is possible?
Ma'am,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
minus can be cancelled.
And
Ma'am, 3 and 45.
Ma'am, 3 and 45.
3 and 45. So on, see, I am not cancelling the minus sign. I will be cancelling at the end. It's better to cancel at the end so that any confusion is not left. Okay. So I am getting minus 7, 15 and 1 minus 32. Yes or no? On cancellation. 3 ones are 3, 3, 15 are 45. Now, so
Yes,
what is after cancelling minus sign? I got, yes, you cannot see the number is 105 upon 33. Yes or no? Sorry, 32. 105 upon 32. Yes, can see. You can. Okay. Now what we will do? We will be take the RHS side. On RHS, what we are having? Again, A into B multiplied by C. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Substituting the values minus 7 by 3 into 5 by minus 4 into 9 by 8. Solving the bracket since there is no cancellation possible. So minus 35 by minus 12 into 9 by 8. See, 12 and 3 can be reduced. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So what I got? 100 and minus sign got deducted. So 105 gone 32. Yes? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
So what happened? This LHS side is equal to RHS side?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
These numbers are verifying this equation or not? These numbers are verifying this equation.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm verifying.
Understood this property?
Yes,
In the same manner,
yes, ma'am.
question number 4 is also given. Can you see question number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to do it by yourself? क्या खुद से कर पाओगे?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ? Same method.
Yes, ma'am.
Only the property has been changed. Is it easy? 3 and 4. Check. If any difficulty, I will be solving for you one. Which one you want? Any one you want? In 3 and 4. Question number
No,
3 and
ma'am.
4.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
कोई चाहिए तो हम solve कर दें.
No, ma'am.
हाँ? So can I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's see the next one. Add the following using rearrangement. Means you have to rearrange the numbers in such a manner that the numbers can be solved easily without many rush of LCM and calculations. Means बहुत ज़्यादा LCM निकालने की भी जरूरत ना पड़े और बहुत ज़्यादा calculation करने की जरूरत भी ना पड़े. So we have to rearrange the numbers in such a manner. Okay, let's see one example first from my side. The question number 1 I have written here. 2 by 3 plus of minus 4 by 5 plus of bracket minus 2 by 3 plus of 1 plus minus 7 by 5. See, one thing can you observe in this question? See, we are having a additive inverse in this question. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I
Yes,
rearrange
ma'am.
it like this, 2 by 3 plus bracket minus 2 by 3 and rearrange the common LCMs, common denominators together, minus 4 by 5 plus minus 7 by 5 plus 1. Will I be wrong? Will my calculation be longer or easier?
Ma'am, easier.
So what
I mean,
I have just rearranged the numbers in such a manner. And also see, one more thing I have not forgotten to do. What? Can you see? What I have not forgotten? Positive numbers, all the negative integers are together and the whole number is separately written. Yes or no?
Yes.
So while
Yes, ma'am.
rearrangement, I have kept in mind this thing also. Both the properties, I have not excluded one property and used the other one. Will I? Have I? Have I?
No, ma'am.
You have to, rearrangement means all the negative signs should be together, all the positive signs should be together, all the whole numbers should be together, right? Another thing, in such a manner I have rearranged so that my one more property being used, that is C, additive inverse can be used easily. Yes? So it's not just writing the numbers, you have to see that whichever property is required is satisfying the rules or not. While using the property, you have to also cross check that the rules are being satisfied or not. Remember? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
So what will happen? This 2 by 3 will be getting cancelled with minus 2 by 3 and we will get a 0 plus, see, since the LCM denominators are same, we will be just adding the number. 4 plus 7 is 11 and since it was minus, so we will put a minus sign plus 1. Yes? Now this number gets excluded. Now we are left with these two numbers, that is minus 11 by 5 plus 1. Taking the LCM, 5 plus 1 is 6, right? So 5 ones are 5 and minus 11 plus 6, minus 11 plus 5 is minus 6 by 5. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So now let's see some examples in paintbrush. Now see question number 5. Any of the part you want that I should do it right now for you. Any of the part. Any of the part you want in question number 5 that first I have done. Any of right now so that you can understand it right now, or else we will move to question number 6.
Ma'am, part C.
Part C. Okay. So the numbers are 11 by 14. Yes. Then the number is plus of minus 5 by 7. Then it is written plus 1, means this is a whole number. And then it is written minus 13 by 20. So what I will be doing? Simply rearranging the positive signs together, the whole number together, and the subtraction signs together. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
on doing this, what I will get? 11 by 14 plus 1, and we will be simplifying this. If the LCM of 7 and 20 is how much? The LCM of 7 and 20 is how much? The LCM of 7 and 20 is how much? Come on, take out fast. LCM of 7 and 20 is how much?
Ma'am, 140.
140.
140. So I will be, I'm directly writing the answer. 11 by 14 upon 1 plus 140, and here I will get, I'm just giving you a direct one, minus 100, and here I will be getting minus, I've calculated for you, by the time you were calculating, I've calculated it, minus 91. Okay, and the answer will be the answer will be 11 by 14 plus 1, then plus of minus 191. 100 plus 91 is 191 upon 140. Yes or no? Now what I will be doing? I will be taking out the LCM of the positive. So all the three set numbers are different. Now we can see one of each. हर एक का एक टाइप मिल गया. हर एक का एक टाइप मिल गया. Yes or no? So what I will be doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the LCM is 140. 14 and 40 is 140. So 10. So 110, 140, and minus 191. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I got? 250 minus 191. Yes. Upon 140, whole upon 140.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and finally what we get? 59 upon 140.
59 upon 140.
Is there any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Then,
ma'am.
so in the same manner, you have to do question number 6. See, you can see in the first one, 6. Can you tell me? You don't have to solve. Only tell me which property to be used. In question number 6A, which property is being used? See, observe it properly and tell me. कौन सी property use हो रही है?
Ma'am, associative.
ना, see very well, properly. अच्छे से देखो.
Ma'am, distributive property.
Yes, distributive property. 7 by 9 common है दो sets में. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Distributive property over subtraction or addition?
Ma'am, addition.
Check it properly.
No, addition.
No, subtraction. See, minus 7 by 9. It's not plus 7 by 9. And plus is not separated with any sign. Plus is 7. Separated is with not. Plus is separated, not separated with any sign. So when the plus is so minus 7 by 9. So it's distributive property over subtraction. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now B1.
Yes, ma'am.
For B, check it for B. Check it for B. Which property? Which property?
Ma'am, distributive.
Distributive again. But only distributive is two types. Only which you have to tell me. अगर एग्जाम में आप सिर्फ distributive property लिख दोगे तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. आपको बताना पड़ेगा कौन सा आप यूज करें.
Ma'am,
Addition is
addition.
addition. Why? See, calculation can be done by anyone, but identifying the property is the main case. अगर आप प्रॉपर्टी आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाएंगे तो क्वेश्चंस नहीं कर पाओगे. तो प्रॉपर्टी आइडेंटिफाई करना आना बहुत जरूरी है. So, which property? Distributive property over
Addition.
over addition. Yes, over addition. Any confusion in question number 6? किसी को अगर समझ में ना आए, कैलकुलेशन में बहुत सारे दिखा चुकी तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कैलकुलेशन कैसे की जाती है. लेकिन प्रॉपर्टी आइडेंटिफाई करना मस्ट है, इसलिए मैं आपको प्रॉपर्टी आइडेंटिफाई करना सिखा रही हूँ. ओके, कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. फास्ट. Just tell which property in A should be used. Fast to solve. Which property in A should be used? Which property in A should be used? Come on. 12A. बताओ.
Ma'am, distributive property over addition.
Very good. Very good. In B.
Associative
Ma'am.
property.
Distributive property over subtraction.
Yes, distributive property over subtraction. A multiplied by B minus C is the form. Okay. Now, in C, let's see who is the smartest enough to identify. Let's see who is the smartest enough. Come on.
Ma'am, associative property over multiplication.
There are two sets. Okay? There are two sets. And which number is common in both the sets? Which number is common in both the sets?
Ma'am, 3/4.
3/4.
So which property? Is it associative property or distributive over addition?
Ma'am, distributive over addition.
Yes.
Over
Okay,
addition.
let's come to the last one. There are three sets. I'm giving you a hint. There are four sets. Only two sets have to be taken together for using the property, and then the rearrangement property. I've given you the hint. Which two sets to be taken together? There are four sets here, and two sets have to be taken together to use the property. Rest, when whatever will be the answer will be used as rearrangement method. So can you tell me which two sets should be used in the fourth one?
Nine upon 16 into 4/21 and minus 5/8 plus 9/16.
See, अच्छा सेट्स का मतलब क्या है, कोई बता सकता है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन से सेट अलग होता है कि एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन से सेट अलग होता है? किस साइन से सेट अलग होता है? और किस ऑपरेटर से हम कहते हैं ये एक सेट है, ये एक अलग सेट है?
Ma'am, addition.
So whosoever given me the answer, was he correct? अब जब पता चल गया कि 4 सेट में कौन कौन से सेट्स हैं, पता चल गया एडिशन सब अलग अलग हो रहे हैं, तो बताओगे कौन से 2 सेट लेने चाहिए? Come on, fast. See, I am telling you. 9 by 16 into 4 by 21 plus 9 by 16 एक कॉमन सेट नहीं हो सकता? अगर हम 9 by 16 को कॉमन निकाल देते तो ब्रैकेट में क्या बचेगा? Just see, I'm just writing these 2 numbers only, huh? Not the rest. 9 by 16 multiplied by, it's 4 by 21, right? 4 by 21 and plus 9 by 16. I'm just not writing the whole set, only this much, okay? So what do I have? If I take out 9 by 16 common, what will be I will be left with? In the first bracket, I will be left with 4 by 21. Yes? And in the second bracket, I will be second set, I will be left with plus 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And then rest is same. That is minus 5 by 80. 5 by 8 and plus minus 3 by 14. Understood? How to use the property here?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
Yes.
So, yes. Still confused?
No, ma'am. No confusion.
So, these were the questions where you have to identify the property. Any problem in 3, 4, 5, 6 and 12?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now let's come to question number 7. I will be, the product of 2 rational numbers is 8 minus 8 by 9. Means if I take A one rational number, B other rational number, then the product is minus 8 by 9. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then if one of them is 10 by 3, means if A is 10 by 3, then we have to find out B. Yes? Can you solve it by yourself now? So B will be how much? B will be minus 8 by 9 divided by 10 by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And now can you solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the answer will be minus 4 upon 15.
Okay, that's depend on you. Minus 4 upon 15. That I don't want the answer. I just want the method. Answers will be, you can cross check by yourself. Okay, let's see the 8th one. Okay, now let's see the 9th one. Okay, 8th one first. Okay, let's take the 8th one first. Divide the sum of, sum means this one. You have to get the sum of 2 by 9 plus 4 by 7 whole divided by its difference, that is 2 by 9 minus 4 by 7. Yes or no? This is only there, the question is asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to solve it by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now go through any question which you 13, 14 and 15 are from class 6 base question, so that's why you will be doing by yourself. See 9, 10 and 11. Any question which you want that I should teach you again, so that you can understand what does this question mean.
Ma'am, 10th question.
tenth. Same. See, sum upon product. The question says sum upon product, right? The question is saying divide means what? Sum divided by the product, right? So that means what? Sum is 5 by 9
Plus minus 8 upon 7.
minus 8 by 7. Sorry. And whatever result you will be getting, you have to divide it by the product of 7 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 8. Okay. Now can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
So these were the, so try it, and your homework for today is exercise 1.2 question number 3 to 15. Will you be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? No or yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So any queries from your side?
No,
Any
ma'am.
queries? So we are only
No,
left
ma'am.
with number line, and with that, after doing number line, we will be ending this chapter. Okay. So thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.